The Cat and Bird's Big Adventure. Step into a magical forest with the cat and the bird, best friends ready for adventure. What will they discover today? The cat asks, "What are you looking for today?" The bird replies, "Fresh fruits. What about you?" Their adventure begins with a chat. By a sparkling clear river, the bird wants a bath, but the cat can't swim. Don't worry, he's got a helpful feathered friend. Together, they cross the river with the bird's help. Friendship makes even the toughest challenges fun and easy. Next, they enter a dark forest. The cat feels scared, but the bird is ready to light their way. What a brave friend! With glowing wings, the bird lights the path and they venture through safely. Together, there's no forest too dark. Finally, they find a beautiful garden bursting with flowers. It's the perfect spot to play and relax together. The cat and bird play joyfully in the garden, proving that friendship brings endless fun wherever you go. What a wonderful journey! The cat and bird remind you that with a friend by your side, every day is an adventure. Thanks for joining the cat and bird on their adventure. Ready for your own? Who's your best friend? The cat stretches and yawns, dreaming of cozy naps after their fun-filled morning. Rest is important, don't you think? Meanwhile, the bird flits from branch to branch searching for the freshest fruits to share with the cat. Sharing is caring. Together again, the cat wakes to find a berry gift from the bird. Friendship means thinking of each other. They share breakfast in the forest clearing, enjoying simple moments that make their friendship stronger. After breakfast, the cat feels energized. Where to next? The adventure is endless, just like your imagination.